Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to the world of art sketching where every stroke tells a story. From quick gesture sketches to detailed studies, artists explore emotions, movement, and texture with just a pencil or a pen. Sketches is a journey of discovery, a way to unleash creativity and capture the essence of a subject. It encourages observation, patience, and keen eye for detail. So grab your sketchbook and let your imagination soar as you embark on your next sketching adventure. Let's draw a simple scenery together using just paper and a pencil. Begin by drawing a line for the horizon, then add trees, mountain, and the sun or moon with light lines. Fill in the details gently, adding texture to trees and depth to the landscape. Use soft stroke for the sky. Remember, it's okay to keep it simple and have fun. So start by sketching gentle hills with smooth flowing lines. Add few trees using upward stroke, creating a serene forest. Now draw a warm inviting sun in the sky, radiating positivity. Experiment with line thickness to give your drawing depth. Feel free to add details like bird in the sky or peaceful stream flowing through the landscape. Remember, the key is to keep it simple and enjoyable. So let your imagination guide your hand as we create a beautiful scenery together. If you are ready, let's bring this peaceful scene to life on paper. Happy drawing and don't forget to share your creation with us in the comments. Subscribe for more artistic adventure on Inspire Art Linkings. Until next time. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then please give a like to this video so it will be recommended to many people. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.